Hey. Bro. Hey, get back here. I see you. Got him, I think. Oh, you're so cute! Oh my gosh, she's so cute! Look at the little guy! Hi! Oh my gosh, you're adorable! Alright, gotta go tell Dad that I caught him because he said that my plan wouldn't work. So, I'm gonna go do that, and I'm gonna go show him that my plan worked, and that I'm awesome. And that I'm a better mouser than either of my cats. Dad! I caught the mouse! Yes! It's in my box! It's so small and cute! Do you want to see it?
No, because it's gonna jump out.
He's so cute.
He belongs outside.
I want to keep him. Oh. It's so cute. Alright guys, we're gonna do a releasing video now. No. Oh, it's wet out. My pants are too short for this. I mean, too long for this. Tiptoe time. What if I just, like, kept him? Would probably not be a good idea, but, like, he's so cute! Alright. Why are the swings up? Who knows? Alright, here's the woods. Bye, little guy.